Welcome friends. Myself Dr. P.R. Jhanwar, Associate Professor, Department of Agriculture Entomology, VNMK, Parbhani. Today I am going to deliver you the lecture series from the pests of cotton, particularly in sucking pest complex. Pests of cotton. In world, 1326 pests have been recorded on cotton. In India, 167, and in Maharashtra, 27. And out of these, a major contribution in the losses due to pests in cotton are sucking pest as well as bollworm complex. So we will see that 16 to 27% losses due to these pests due to the sucking pest on cotton we record generally. And after introduction of BT technology or transgenic cotton, the sucking pest complex became major in our area, particularly dryland area. So in case of sucking pest, in general, cassids, aphids, thrips, whiteflies, mealybugs are important. In case of cassids, Ambraska bibutyla, aphids, Apis glossify, thrips, Thrips tagaki, whitefly, Bemisia tagaki, mealybugs, Phenacoccus solenopsis, all are important sucking complex which are causing huge losses nowadays. And when we see regarding the bollworms, we will not discuss, but because of BT cotton, we will not observe the population of bollworms, but spotted bollworm, American bollworm and pink bollworm are important bollworm complex infesting cotton. And other are some minor pests. And as regards today we are discussing about the sucking pest complex, cassids, particularly Ambraska bibutyla. That is, when we see that these cassids are wedge-shaped, pale green in color, black spot on each of four wings and spots on the vertex. And the typical characteristics is they walk diagonally. And these cassids we also call them as a leaf hopper. And the nature of damage, if you see, the nymphs and adults suck the cell sap. Initially margins turn yellowish and subsequently turn reddish and curl. In case of heavy infestation, the leaves show brown necrotic patches. Okay. You see, the number of host plants are there. Number of host plants are there. As species of polyphagous, we see the life history: female lay eggs inside the leaf veins. Egg period is 4 to 11 days. In case of the nymphal period, 7 to 21 days nymphal period is there, and in all 6 nymphal instars we observe. And this pest is more severe in July to September. And in case of aphids, we see these are the aphids which are very curling of leaves we observe because of the aphids, and this is the first symptom or sign of the damage. And different types of host plants are there in case of aphids. Thrips is also important in sucking pest, and severe incidence we observe in September as well as October and during the dry spell in the cotton ecosystem. Okay, and in case of these thrips, particularly, this is most observed on cotton, chili, cucurbits, etc. And in case of the whiteflies, particularly, these are the most important whiteflies we observed in September month, August and September months in the cotton ecosystem again. And we see the whiteflies flying when we walk inside the cotton ecosystem. We see the whiteflies which are migrating from one plant to another plant, and then we can easily identify by using the yellow sticky traps, so that the sticky traps work as a monitoring for the whitefly population in the cotton ecosystem. Thank you for listening my topic. Again, thanks.